iPad text size, how to use it. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse a YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step what you need to do to increase the text size in any application and how you can add this in your control center. So first of all, if you don't have text size here in the control center, what you need to do is to go to settings and then control center, and here you need to look for text size. I already have text size included in controls, but I'll remove it. You tab on if you want to remove a controller. By the way, you need to tab on this minus and remove, and here look for text size, tab on it, and now you have text size right here. You can move it, arrange where you want to have it situated, and now let's go in any application and let's increase the text size. The current text size, it looks like this, but I want to increase it. All you need to do is to scroll down and look for text size. It's right here, the letter A, and you just need to tab on it, and now you can increase the text size. The text, as you can see now, the text is huge. Or you can also increase, this is the text is increased. Now the text has been increased, and as you can see, text is huge. And this the text has been applied, has been increased only for Brave only. But if you want to increase the text for all the apps, you just need to select all apps, and now you can increase as well. So that's how you can increase your text size on your iPad. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos, and like this video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.